Kashnong Syntung kabaha bahamau kenro constituency Tang bakadon ki Jaka Jngohkai ki ba Ityang bat ki ba Itynnad hanrai kadon ru ki lengkharep strawberry ki ba yar bha hakajing mit jingo e katiga than hani kasni umentri rangba kajalla konrat ki sangma ula ai kajingero da kabaong bakani ka than kadon ki Jaka ba Itynnad suda ki bala ban kring buon bha ki nongwan kai Shushu uang ru ba kajing bun jong ki Jaka rep strawberry kanang kring arsha e kajing wan pet kai ki briu ki banabar Menteri rangba ula pentip ru baka sorkar kan sebeteng ban kershan ki ba im da rep strawberry da ba penyo e ka kor ban shna ki ba bun jat ki jingbam na utei ujat so hakani kasngi menteri rangba ula pelut ru e ka por jong u ban ya temlang bat ka kunhun tem na ka than bat kularu ban ai jingerap khnang ba kinla ban the e ki tiar tem tiar put ki ba kham paka
ka jingkut jingmut ban pen kan tiu ya kani ka jingrap.
And let me assure you of full support and full financial help from the government. The tourism sector also has huge potential here. This is maybe one of the most beautiful places in the whole state. I have never seen such clear water and such pristine water and such beautiful scenery in the state of Meghalaya. And therefore, I want to assure you that government will support to build up the tourism out here. Whether it is different viewpoints, whether it is places, cottages to stay, whether places to sit and eat, restaurants, or having picnic spot development, we will support in building up this entire infrastructure in this area. But we need all of you to be together and work together committedly so that we can move forward together. So this side. It's okay. You can go. So we are here in Syntung village in Khuborjylla constituency in East Khasi Hills, and we are right now here to see this beautiful place which has got huge potential for tourism, and we will be developing the tourism sector also out here by ensuring that we put up infrastructure and other amenities. But apart from tourism, as we can see on my side and behind me and across, that there's a huge scope for strawberry plantation out here. And the agriculture department has taken large number of steps to ensure that this particular plantation and product is promoted. And through that whole process, today more than 250 plus beneficiaries are getting benefit here in Syntung village, and at the same time they are marketing this product all the way to Guwahati through Naramak. And also at the same time, they are selling the product out here in the state, as well as supplying it to IIHM, and there's a huge demand for it. And at the same time, the farmers are getting a very good price also for this. So from the Agriculture Department, we are committed, and as a government, we're committed to give full support. And I see that there's a huge potential in terms of processing these products. And therefore, in the coming days, we will put up a processing unit out here through which the farmers can get benefit, and the farmers around this region also can get benefit, and the tourists also can actually get a whole experience of not just the plantation but the different products that will come out of the strawberries that are grown out here. So I'm very happy, and I urge our tourists also to come and experience this and be part of our farmers' lives, promote them, support them, and that way, as I said, we'll be able to create much more value and many more livelihoods through these programs. Thank you. So just somebody can just help me translate. So now I'm part of the band. Tell them I'm part of the band. Tell them. I'm part of the band now. Okay. So I will be giving them 5 lakhs to buy equipment, music equipment. But since you are part of I'm part of the band now. So this is my band. So I'm giving 5 lakhs to buy equipment, music equipment. Okay. Good. So I need the name of the band. So just Alex.
Sports and cultural
Yeah.
program.
Just.